only one of us can be the fishing king today.
It's gonna be me.
We will find out. Myra, do you know what I have for you today?
What?
I 3D printed a game for us. For you and me both. Here is the game.
Okay. They're fish.
Yes. There are some big fish, some medium fish, and some small fish.
They look the same.
They look the same. Or you will only be able to find out which one is big, medium, or small
Okay.
once you take them out of water. And this is our pretend water.
Okay.
Okay. So we will call this game King of Fishing.
I'll be the king.
We'll find that out.
Okay.
Whoever wins will be the king of fishing.
Okay.
Okay. So what we'll do is I'll pick one fish, then you will pick one fish, and then I'll pick one fish, then you one, and then I one, and you one. So we'll pick 3 in total. Okay. So let's see. Should I go first?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I think I'll pick the biggest one.
Okay.
Oh,
My turn.
This is the smallest one. Okay,
My
go. Wait. You picked a small one as well. Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
My
Wait,
turn.
wait, there is one more. Yes, this is bigger than this one.
My turn.
Your turn. This is the largest one. How are you doing that? You picked the biggest one. Okay, my turn. I think I'm gonna pick a biggest one as well. Let's see. Wait,
My turn.
wait, your turn. I think you'll pick a small one. Oh my god. Okay, let's count. Let's count. Let's count who
My
has.
turn.
You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1,
8,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
I won!
So you are the king of fishing?
Yeah!
Alright.
Yes! Come on, Dada. Well played, Dada.
Yeah? Fair and...
Well played, Dada.
Okay, you won fair and square. It's okay. I'll win the next time. You can have the first crown, king of fishing. Yeah? Say bye to everyone.
Bye.